Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do my January the 9th through the 15th layout in my Plum Paper vertical priorities, and I have a Jessica Hart's Cozy Cafe journaling kit, and I'm going to use that to plan this particular week. Alright, I also have two Tombow markers. I have the 761 in pink and the N79, which isn't really this color, it's more like this color gray. So I'm going to use these two markers to highlight with, and then I have the gray zig dot marker. It's called Platinum. Right, so I'm going to use all of that. So let's go ahead and put down some of these things. So first thing, I'm going to take the washi strip and put it down at the bottom. So I'm going to turn this sideways because you don't always have to turn it sideways to put this washi down. So I hope everybody has had a nice time and a good holiday and whatnot and things. I'm still working on my remodeling, so I have all that stuff I'm working on. I sold my old shed because remember I got a new she shed and it's like huge. So I sold that, so I no longer need the old one. And I have that person coming to pick that up tomorrow. So I spent today cleaning out the old shed and everything and putting that stuff in the new shed. On top of that, I had to order some new knobs for my kitchen cabinets and bathroom cabinets. So I got those ordered on Amazon. If you need new knobs and things like that, get them on Amazon. They're way cheaper than in the store. And they have the same selection of items. So you can get the exact same item, but way cheaper on Amazon. And I highly recommend saving money when you can. On top of that, I made some jambalaya today with chicken and sausage in it. So we had that for a late lunch. And then we'll just have a snack for dinner. We do that sometimes. My husband worked today, so we had a late lunch because he doesn't eat lunch when he goes to work. He's a guy, I don't know what to tell you. That's just the way my husband is. He never eats at work. He doesn't take his break and go eat because he'd rather work. Okay, so I'm gonna put these stickers down. I always put them up here and then again down here. That's just where I always put them. Because I don't have a lot going on Sunday, and if I do, I don't really write it in the planner. And I need something to go over here to be decorative. Also up here, this is where I take all of these like items like this. I'll probably put this really big one here. I'll put some coffee up there. And maybe this pie. Because I'm not really going to write or do anything in this, so that's perfect for that. And then I have this one here, and I always put these two little tiny ones up there. This is my usual kit layout because I almost always buy Jessica Hart's for this. Occasionally I will get something else, but I just really like Jessica Hart's layout for this particular planner. So check her out if you haven't. I just put one there and one here, and then I take one of the little decorative icons and stick it in the middle. So this is a good place, I think, to put these books. These books are super cute. So I think I'm going to set these here. Left a little spot so I can put the bookmark. So that's what's going to go there. Alright. So let's put down our days. So we just go across the top and put these down. A lot of people are fussy-dussy about like this not matching the blue or whatever. I just don't really care. I mean, I know if you have a plum paper that it comes in colors, so I know it's not always going to match. I just ignore it. I've never had a problem with it. I've never had anyone say, oh look, the like highlight page or the tab page for that week doesn't match. Like, no one's that, you know, these are all neutral colors. Nobody really cares about that. I mean, I guess if it were like orange or something, it would be really contrasting, but I probably would have just picked a kit that had orange in it. But anyway, so I'm going to finish this out. This is my work planner. You're wondering, like, why I have so many planners? Well, one, because I film planning, and I didn't really know, like, what style of planning that, like, I liked when I started, so I got, you know, the popular planners. I have two Erin Condren planners. Actually, that's a lie. I have 4 Erin Condren planners. Nope, that's a lie, too. 5 Erin Condren planners. but I only use 2 of them on a regular basis. This is my work planner though. This is the one I ended up liking for work because it's set up like for what I do. I'm an academic coach, so I put my task list of the 3 most important things to do here. Then I put the 3 observations that I need to do for that day because I have teachers observe, and then I put my meetings all at the bottom. And it works great for me for work, and then I can keep my work clutter off of my regular page. So I really like doing this. All right, so now I'm going to go on with my highlighters, and I'm going to do the pink first. So up here at the top, what I always do is I just highlight straight across here. And then I highlight again here. And then I take the contrasting color and highlight down at the bottom for where my meetings word will go. And these are the 2 closest matches that I had for this week. So that's what I went with, because I only have about, I don't know, like maybe 20 or 25 of these markers. I didn't really count them. So I just picked the ones that match the best. And there's not a shade in like everything, so just go with it. And then I take the dot marker and I just cover these dots up bolder. So that's how I set that up. And then I'll write my task and stuff there. I apologize if you can hear the fan in the background because I've got some fan going on in the background because it's kind of hot in here. I haven't installed my air conditioner yet, but it's starting to get warm. I live in Florida, so things get warm right this time of year. All right, now I'm gonna highlight at the habit tracker because I always do that too. So I'm gonna take that color and do there, and I'm gonna highlight the week that we're on. So this is the 9th through the 15th. Okay. And then I'm gonna go put numbers in. And again, anytime I need numbers when I don't have numbers, I don't like writing on things. So I'm gonna take the numbers that come out of here. So give me 1 second to flip through and grab some numbers. And then I'll put the numbers on and we're good. Just flip it through the book off screen so I can like see what I've used some of, because I don't want to use like, hey, these are perfect. So I've like used some of these. So I'll use some more of these to fill those in. So I'll start with the 9th. So 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll straighten those up in a minute. I'm just trying to get them on. 13. 14. And 15. So that way I can use up a partially used set or use some more of them. Okay, so I'm done with the number stickers. This one's a little crooked. I'm going to try to pull it up if I can. Where's my washi knife? Here we go. That one's the only one that's like so crooked that I cared. So I'm going to pull that up. Set that back down a little bit more straight, at least. It's a little straighter. All right. So there we go for that. So this is what my layout looks like so far. So now I'm going to go in with my other stickers and put some decorative touches on. And then I'm going to start to plan out my week. Okay. These stickers, I definitely am going to put one on Wednesday. I always have a meeting on Wednesday. So I'm going to put a sticker here for Wednesday. I usually always have a meeting on Thursday as well. Put a sticker about right here. And I'll put one for Tuesday. Usually just put like one, like whatever, on each one of my workday weeks. And I'll just alternate where I put them, because usually the meetings are in the mornings. So I'll just put them randomly at the top. Excuse me, let me get some water. It's a little hot in the shed. As I was saying, I have a window air conditioner. I just haven't installed it yet. So I just need to put it in the window right beside me because it's starting to get a little warm for my taste. This sweater here, and this book here, and the glasses here. So that's cute for that. And on the other side, I'll put my coffee pot, my croissants, and my cup of coffee. And some sugar packets. There we go. So pretty much have all of that. That's super cute. I have another bookmark, so I'm just going to stick it here with this book. Very cute. And I have one more cup of coffee that I'm going to stick over here. So every page gets a little cup of coffee, and now this page is empty. I'm excited about that. I like to use what I get. Now I have these extra stickers and flags. They will go down here for more meetings. And I always put these to-do stickers like over here. To do, and today I always put them on Saturday and Sunday to have something to label and to use them. And then I have these extra stickers here. I'm going to put an extra sticker on Wednesday because I know I have a set meeting. And I have a set meeting on Thursday. So I'm going to put an extra sticker on Thursday for the second meeting. And then I have a flag, and I'm going to put that flag on Tuesday to try to avoid Monday meetings. So now I have all of those down. These are just leftover pieces that I cut off. I'm going to stick these on here just to mark places as well, because they look like boxes now. So we are good with that. And now I only have one sticker left down here, and it says reminder. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off and put that on this day. Then I can write a reminder right here for Saturday. So one sticker left. I'll put that in my sticker scrapbook, and we are all good. So this is my final layout. And I'll show you like what I write on it. It'll look like, here's, I'll show you the last one in December. So I'm going to back up. So this is the last one in December. Or this is one in December. So this is before the pen, so you'll see it looks similar to that. And now let me find one after the pen. Here you go. So this week I'm still filling it out because this week hasn't come yet. So I just put like the stuff that I know on there. And I will go ahead and write on this the titles so you can see how I label them. So the way I label it is here I put to do all the way across the top. Because remember, this is my work planner. Sorry, I just bumped the camera. And then I put observe here. So I have to observe 3 people a day to be able to get all my observations done. Because I'm an academic coach, specifically for math and science. Mostly for math, but I do have science teachers as well. And then down here, I just put meetings. Oops, I spelled that wrong. This little whiteout can't fix. So 1 second while I fix that. Got in a hurry, spelled it wrong. Let me highlight a little gray over that. And then I'll write right back on it. There we go. Alright, so there we go for that. So this is what it will look like for the week. This is how my spread looks. Well, I hope you enjoyed my planning. I'll get another video up later. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.